So, a quick question. When a request hits your application, who actually handles it first? Who decides where it should go, whether it's safe, and how it should be processed? Because it's not about the routing. There's a lot happening before your backend even sees the request.
Hey, this is Rajasthar, and this is exactly the problem which Application Gateway solves. Let's say you have a single domain app.com, but actually behind that you have multiple services running.
For example, app.com goes to frontend, app.com/API goes to backend API, and app.com/admin goes to backend admin portal. Now the question is, how do you route each request to the correct backend? You could have handled this inside your app, but now your application is doing routing, logic, and everything else. That's not what your application should be doing. So instead, we put something in front of our application to handle all incoming traffic.
That is Azure Application Gateway. It is a load balancer but a smart one.
A normal load balancer spreads the traffic, but this one actually looks at the request and decides where it should go. So now your flow becomes user talking to the application gateway and application gateway talking to the backend. And now routing is simple. You define rules like /API goes to API server, /admin goes to the admin services, and remaining goes to the front end. Now once routing is handled, other problems start showing up, like HTTPS. Managing certificate across the services is painful. Application gateway handles it in one place. Then comes the security. Your app is exposed to the internet, but application gateway has built-in protection against the web attacks. And it is also reliable. If one of the backend fails, you don't want your user to see the errors. It automatically sends the traffic to the healthy service. And as traffic increases, it can scale automatically to handle more requests. So instead of solving routing, security, HTTPS, and reliability separately, you handle everything in one place. And one important thing, this works inside a region close to your backend services. So, Application Gateway is a layer 7 load balancer that understands the HTTP requests and route them intelligently.
And once you understand this, your application is not just working, it's structured properly. That's it, see you in the next one.